Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Recently, I found a crazy sales of Bahco tools from local shop. These are not just normal Bahco products. I'll tell you guys in a minute. As you guys know, Bahco tools were used to made in Sweden. Then they moved their production to Spain, and during that time, they also outsourced their products from Brazil, Argentina and Germany. Those tools were still as good as made in Sweden. Now, Bahco mostly make their tools in their factories in Taiwan and China. I would say quality been compromised a bit. But now, I found some good deals. Interestingly, these tools are made in Spain. I have got here vice grip plier foam insert. This whole set I bought just for 25 euros and it's made in Spain, which you cannot find them anymore. You can get them, but those are made in Taiwan or China nowadays. The part number of this set is FF1E406EH. Here you can see made in Spain. Let's pick up the smallest plier first. Guys, this looks a quality plier. Bahco logo stamped on it. It has nickel chrome coating. Opening and closing mechanism is good. Teeth are sharp and symmetrical. Screw mechanism is robust too. I like the plier. Let's take out bigger plier. It feels heavy and solid. It's got part number stamp. Nickel plating looks nice. Plier mouth is curvy for better grip. Again, teeth look straight and sharp. Opening and closing is smooth and firm. Screw adjustment is smooth and solid too. This is the biggest plier in the set. It's a welding clamp plier. Same nice nickel plating. This one is heavy duty. Opening and closing is smooth but solid. The mouth clamp is movable to adjust in odd angles. Clamp has knurling too for better grip. Metal used in this plier seems solid and heavy. The last piece in this set is the tiny clamp. This one is also surprisingly solid too. Screw mechanism is nice and smooth. This can be used in welding and woodworking too for holding a piece you are working on. I'm very impressed with the whole set. It's just 25 euros on a discount. Even this smallest plier costs more than 30 euros if you buy separately. And I have got this whole set just for 25 euros. On top of that, the same tool nowadays are made in China. I'm loving it. Okay guys, that's it with the video. Consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in another video with another made in Spain tool haul from Bahco. Thanks for watching.